Good morning. Today we're talking about finding the equation of an exponential function that passes through two pairs of points. Keywords here are exponential function. Exponential functions have the format of y equals ab to the x. So I'm going to use this tool and plug in my 2 points into here. So this is x and y, right? Input, output. So 16 equals AB to the first is one of them, and the other one is 128 equals AB to the fourth. I'm going to go ahead and get A by itself here, so I'm going to divide by B to the first is just B. So 16 over B equals A. Now I'm going to substitute this in over here. So 128 equals 16 over B times b to the fourth. I have 4 b's on top, 1 b on the bottom. I can cancel out here, so I end up with 3 b's on the top. So I have 128 equals 16 times b to the third. Divide by 16. 128 divided by 16 is 8 equals b to the third. And now you need to cube root. So on your calculator you might have to enter in 3 and then press the little x to the square root key like that, and then type 8 equals. You'll end up with b equals 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Now you're going to take that 2, substitute it in over here. So 16 over 2 equals a, 8 equals a. Now we need to put all the final pieces together. So y equals a is 8, b is 2 to the x. That's my answer. You can actually check all of these. I feel like that made that a little worse. I'm trying to focus it a little better. No, it is what it is. You can actually check these points in here. So if x is 1, 2 to the first is 2, times 8 is 16. And then I could check the other one as well and it would work. Here's one for you to try. 299 and 6 goes with 8019. Go ahead, pause me, try it, and then play it and see if you got the answer correct. So here we go. Y equals AB to the x. 99 equals AB squared. 8019 equals AB to the sixth. We're going to get A by itself. I always find that it's easier to get A by itself because it's usually single. So I'm going to divide by B squared. 99 over b squared equals a. I'm going to take that piece, put it in the other equation. So 8019 equals 99 over b squared times b to the sixth. So we have 6 b's on top, 2 b's on the bottom, so there are 4 after crossing out. Go ahead, divide by 99. You end up with 81 equals b to the fourth. And now you need to take the fourth root. Again, in your calculator, you'll need to type 4 and then choose x with the square root symbol. 81 equals. Most calculators will behave that way. So b equals 3. Take my 3, put it over here. 99 over 3 squared equals a. 99 over 9 equals a. 11 is a. Final answer is y equals 11 times 3 to the x. And that's it for today. Thank you.